we're gonna make lemonade. Rebecca, do you like lemonade?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we need?
We need lemon and ice and sugar and water.
Yeah, a cup of water. Okay, now please cut the lemons in half. Can you cut the lemons? Yes? Okay, so please be careful when you use the knife. Cut. Okay, wait. Great, good job. And do it. Right, good job. Very good. And now squeeze the lemon using the hand juicer. Okay, please squeeze it. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. I'm gonna help you. Squeeze. 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 Pour the lemon juice in the cup. Pour. Pour. Okay, let's check how much we have. We have 1 cup of lemon juice. Now let's make a syrup. We have a pot. Since we have 1 cup of lemon juice, we're gonna use 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Use the same ratio here. Okay? Pour the sugar in the pot. And pour the water. Okay, and put the pot on the medium and high heat. And boil it until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, let's use a spatula to dissolve. Rebecca, can you see the sugar?
No.
I think it's all done. And pour the syrup in the butter. It's really hot, so please be careful. And pour the lemon juice. And please mix it with the long stick. Mix.
Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. I mixed up.
Okay, pour in the cup and add lots of ice. Add ice, lots of ice. And add fresh lemon. And add like this. And looks yummy. And add iced beer.
Dad.
What a cute beer. Okay, put it. Okay, very good. Can you see the beer?
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone enjoy it.
Enjoy.
Bye bye.
Bye.